In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks manually in HubSpot. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up clear, organized tasks that are connected to the right records in your CRM. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand bar and find the CRM icon. Hover your mouse over that icon, and from the options that appear, select Tasks. This will take you to your main tasks workspace, where you can see any existing tasks and manage your to-do list. To create a new task, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Create Task. When you click this, a panel will slide open on the right side. This is where you'll set up all the details for your new task. Start by adding a clear, descriptive task title. Think of a title that tells you exactly what needs to happen at a glance, like follow up with new lead or prepare proposal for client. Next, select your task type. Depending on your setup, this might be a call, an email, a to-do, or another category. Choosing the right type helps you filter and manage tasks more easily later on. Now, set the priority for the task. Decide whether it's low, medium, or high priority. This is useful when you're looking at a long list of tasks and need to know what to work on first. After that, choose which record you want to associate the task with. This could be a contact, a company, a deal, or another object in your CRM. Associating the task with a record keeps everything connected. So when you open that record, you can immediately see what needs to be done. Then assign the task to someone. If you're the one who will complete it, you can assign it to yourself, or you can assign it to another team member so they know it's their responsibility. You can also choose a queue for the task. Queues are a helpful way to group similar tasks like all your follow-up calls or all your onboarding tasks, so you can tackle them in batches. Next, set the due date and time. This tells HubSpot when the task should be completed. If it's something you need to do regularly, you can enable set to repeat and then choose how often you want that task to recur. You also have the option to add a reminder. Pick when you want HubSpot to remind you, so nothing slips through the cracks. Lastly, add any notes that will help you complete the task, such as context, talking points, or next steps. When you're happy with everything, scroll down and click Create at the bottom of the panel. Your task will automatically be added to your task list, ready for you or your teammate to work on. And that's it. That's how to create tasks manually in HubSpot.